Living in Redington Beach, Florida, comes with the joy of coastal breezes, breathtaking views, and year-round sunshine. But for homeowners, the same salty air that makes beachside living so refreshing can also be tough on their homes, especially windows. Over time, salt air accelerates wear and tear, causing corrosion, warping, and reduced energy efficiency. That's why choosing salt air-resistant materials during a window replacement project is one of the smartest investments Redington Beach homeowners can make. The challenge of salt air. The air in coastal regions like Redington Beach carries high levels of salt particles and moisture. While invisible to the eye, salt can corrode metal frames and hardware, leading to rust and weakened structures. Warp or rot wooden frames, especially if they aren't properly treated. Etch or damage glass over time, reducing clarity and appearance. Compromise seals, allowing drafts and moisture inside. These issues don't just affect your home's appearance, they also reduce comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. Why salt air-resistant materials matter when replacing windows in Redington Beach. Standard materials often aren't enough to handle the coastal environment. Salt air-resistant materials are specifically designed to stand up to the harsh effects of coastal weather, providing both longevity and performance. Vinyl frames. Vinyl windows are a top choice for Redington Beach homes because they resist rust, corrosion, and rot. Offer low maintenance with no need for painting or sealing. Provide excellent insulation to keep energy bills lower. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass windows are another excellent option, offering exceptional strength and durability. Resistance to warping and swelling in humid conditions. A sleek appearance that mimics wood but withstands coastal air. Aluminum with protective coatings. Aluminum frames are strong and lightweight, but in coastal areas they need protective finishes. With specialized coatings, they can resist corrosion while maintaining a modern look. Stainless steel and composite hardware. Even the small components matter. Hinges, locks, and fasteners made from stainless steel or corrosion-resistant composites extend the life of your windows in salty environments. Benefits of salt air-resistant windows. Investing in the right materials for window replacement pays off in multiple ways for Redington Beach homeowners. Longer lifespan. Resistant materials extend the durability of windows, saving you money on premature replacements. Lower maintenance. No need for frequent repainting, resealing, or rust removal. Better energy efficiency. Well-sealed, insulated windows reduce drafts and keep cool air inside during Florida's hot summers. Enhanced curb appeal. Salt damage can discolor and age windows quickly. Resistant materials help your home look fresh longer. Peace of mind. With windows designed for coastal living, you won't have to worry about constant upkeep. Professional installation matters. Even the best salt air-resistant materials can underperform if not installed correctly. Professional window replacement ensures tight seals to prevent air and moisture intrusion. Proper drainage systems that reduce water buildup around frames. Compliance with coastal building codes, which often require impact-resistant glass for storm protection. Local professionals in Redington Beach understand the unique challenges of coastal living and can recommend the best products for your home. Final thoughts for homeowners in Redington Beach. Salt air is both a blessing and a challenge. While it adds to the charm of coastal living, it can take a serious toll on your windows if you don't choose the right materials. By investing in salt air-resistant options like vinyl, fiberglass, coated aluminum, and stainless steel hardware, you can protect your home, reduce maintenance, and enjoy lasting comfort. With professional installation, your new windows will not only stand strong against the elements but also boost curb appeal and efficiency. For coastal homes, salt air-resistant window replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's a necessity for long-term protection and peace of mind.